Changing your vehicle's oil and oil filter is an easy and cost-effective way to extend the life of your car. First, always follow these proper safety procedures to avoid personal injury. Perform the work with the engine off. Wear safety glasses and oil-resistant gloves to avoid contact with motor oil. And obey all regulations regarding proper disposal of used motor oil, container, and filters. The difficulty level for changing the oil and filter is 2 out of 5, and you'll need about 40 minutes to complete the procedure. You may also need to check your owner's manual or reference guide at an auto parts store to confirm which filter, oil type, and volume of oil your vehicle requires. Now, gather everything you need. A new spin-on or cartridge oil filter, depending on which type is specified for your vehicle. New oil. A socket and ratchet or the correct wrench to remove the oil pan drain plug. A filter wrench to remove the filter. A drain pan. A lint-free rag. Safety glasses. Oil-resistant gloves, and a funnel. There are 2 common types of oil filters. A spin-on variety with the filter inside a metal housing that is replaced as an entire unit, or a cartridge filter that fits inside a permanent housing attached to the engine. Note that if your vehicle uses a cartridge filter, remove the filter first to ensure any used oil is removed from the permanent housing. To replace the filter, locate the cartridge housing and remove the cap using a wrench. Unsnap the old cartridge from the cap. Also, remove the O-ring from the cap and inspect to make sure the entire ring is removed. Next, install the new O-ring that's included with the new cartridge. Snap the new cartridge into the cap. Lubricate the O-rings with clean engine oil. Finally, reinstall the cap and cartridge assembly into the housing. Note that some cartridge filters are designed to be placed into the housing and have the cap screwed on top. Refer to your owner's manual to verify the best approach. To drain the used oil, find the drain plug under the car. Note that some cars have covers that also need to be removed. Position the drain pan underneath and remove the plug. Watch carefully and reposition the pan if necessary to catch the draining oil. Take care to not let the used motor oil come in contact with bare skin. Once the oil has drained, clean the plug and oil pan area with a lint-free rag. Next, replace the plug and tighten carefully. Now is the time to remove the old filter if your vehicle uses a spin-on type filter. Locate the filter underneath the car and loosen by turning the filter counterclockwise with a filter wrench. Continue to loosen by hand and be ready to reposition the drain pan to catch oil dripping from the filter. Set the old filter aside to drain. Check the mounting surface and make sure it's clean. Also, make sure the rubber O-ring came off with the old filter. Apply a thin layer of clean oil on the O-ring of the new filter. This helps the filter seal properly and helps prevent the ring from sticking the next time you replace the filter. Hand tighten until the filter just contacts the engine. Then tighten an additional 3/4 turn by hand. Fram filters are equipped with sure grip coating. A filter wrench should never be used to install a filter. Now, locate and remove the oil filler cap under the hood. Most caps are clearly marked with an oil can icon. Insert the funnel and slowly pour the specified amount of oil into the funnel to prevent splashing. Replace the oil cap. Now, start the vehicle and confirm that the oil light goes out. Stop the engine. Then, check around the filter and drain plug for any leaks. Remove the dipstick and wipe it with a clean rag. Replace the dipstick and then remove it again to check the oil level. Add additional oil if needed. Finally, place the used oil in a clearly marked container and bring it to your local recycling center or auto parts store for proper disposal. For more car maintenance tips, visit Fram.com.